You've likely heard that the EN standard for mechanical protection has been updated, but you might not yet have a clear explanation as to what it means for you and your workforce. With the evolution of any product, customers' needs change, new materials are designed, and often new manufacturing techniques introduced. Gloves using complex composite yarns and materials are now much more prevalent, so the standard for testing needed updating to better reflect the performance of these new products. Previously, the blade cut test or coupe test was the only method available to measure cut resistance. However, materials providing higher levels of cut resistance often blunt the blade, producing misleading results. This has resulted in the most significant change introduced in the EN 388-2016 standard, the addition of the ISO 13997 cut resistance test. It's great news for safety professionals who will have much better visibility of product performance. However, it may come as a surprise where many products now sit under the new test method. If we plot the old and new performance levels together, starting with the lowest, you'd be right to assume 1 and A sit in line. We can then place the fifth number and letter 5 and E over to the right. Logic then tells you levels 3 and C sit in the middle. As we fill in the missing levels, and finally add the new high level F to complete the chart, you can start to see where they now sit and where problems might lie in assuming like-for-like correlation. Any organisation that has had a mandate for minimum cut level 5 protection on site may be finding that under the new 2016 standard, gloves previously rated cut level 5 are now in fact a level C, and in some cases even a B. Remembering where we plotted B and C in relation to level 5 a moment ago, that may be a bit of a surprise. So, if you're currently specifying minimum level 5 cut resistance, now is a good time to assess your current hand protection and ask suppliers for test results to ISO 13997. Whilst this might all seem like a bit of a headache now, ultimately it will result in more accurate testing, providing you with more data, and the industry moving closer to a more universal approach to cut testing. At Tilstatech, all our latest ranges have been certified to the EN 388-2016 standard. You can see the EN 388-2016 test results clearly indicated on our 55-51 range, and will only refer to this test on our high cut protection products. An X will be displayed in the position for the coupe test rating to minimise confusion and help customers transition to the new standard as easily as possible.